Welcome to video 3 of Surah hacking. We are going to hack line 3 of Surah Al-Asr. Let's begin. وَتَوَاصَوْا verb بِالْحَقِّ noun. وَتَوَاصَوْا verb بِالصَّبْرِ noun. Okay, so let's begin with the first noun. Let's hack بالحق. You have a B here, which means with, and then you have an Al here, which means the. Okay, so you're left with ha, qaf, qaf, which is the root. And when you go to the dictionary, you would sort of, okay, so this is 7, 9, 11. So the scope would be in between this, so it becomes haq, kun. Okay, and then you would find the meaning as truth in the dictionary. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is bis sabri. It's the same thing with and the, and then you are left with 7, 9, 11, which is the roots for this word, sa, ba, and ra. And then when you scope it, it will have a tanween at the back. That is the word that you need to find in the dictionary. And when you find it, you will find the meaning as patience. Okay, so we are done with 2 nouns. We are left with 2 verbs which are the same. Okay, so we just hack once and we get the meaning of both. Okay, let's hack from the back. Unfixed from the back. Tawasaw alif means day. Okay, and then go to the front, and the front would be wa here, which means and. Okay, and then you have tawa, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a bit tricky, but you need to sort of eliminate, apply the elimination technique. So you may think that the roots may be ta, waw, and sod, or waw, alif, and sod, or whatever else that can be the roots there, or ta, alif, sod. Okay, and when you look at the dictionary, you won't find these roots there, and then you would be applying some other processes. So you go to your verb scoper, and then you sort of measure. Maybe this can be number 5. And then the alif, if you look at number 8, okay, the alif can be number 8. And when you do that, you are left with 2 roots. When you're left with 2 roots, which is waw and sod in this case, that means you would need to look at type 6. You're left with 2 roots, you look at type 6. What do you add at the back? So you would add something like, okay, let's write the root here. So wow, sod, you would add something like alif, tall alif, or short alif. Okay, tall alif or short alif. And then when you look at the dictionary, oh, you found out that, okay, the root is the short alif, so this is the root. And then you would need to find the form number in order to get the meaning of this word. Okay, you've got the roots, but it's not enough. You need to find the form number. So in order to find the form number, okay, you would need to measure this verb. So you go to your verb scoper. When you go to your verb scoper, you need to measure. So the first root, fa, ain, lam, okay, the 3 roots there. So this is the first root, so you bring down the sign, is fa. This is second root, sorry, the first root is ta, the first root is wa, second, okay, good. Yeah, we've got it covered. So now we bring down the number 8 here. Based on the verb scoper, you have to bring that down, and based on the verb scoper, you also have to bring the ta down, and you have tafa'a. And we look at your verb forms. Tafa'a here is form number I think 6, form number 6. Yeah, so when it's form number 6, so you'll go to the dictionary and look at wow short alif, and then look at the meaning from form number 6, which you will get it as enjoin one another. Enjoin one another, and there's a they here also. Okay, so this would be the same. So when you translate, it would be and they enjoined one another with the truth, and they enjoin one another with the patience. Okay, yes, I'm doing this video with quite a patience. All right. Okay, so based on the previous verse, okay, you would see that this day is not needed here, and so this day would not be needed here, so it becomes and enjoined one another with truth. Okay, and this the would not be needed here, so you have a capital T here, and this the would not be needed here, and you have a capital P there. Okay, and then you are done. Except for one thing, if you notice that we missed this to say it in the first video, all the tenses from the second line to the third line are in the past. Okay, but even though these tenses are in the past, but the meaning is current. The meaning is generic. The meaning applies to the past, to the present, and to the future. And that is why when you see translation, they even though the tenses are in the past, they would translate it in the present. So you would have something like from the beginning. Okay, man, by time indeed man truly is in loss, except the ones who believe, without the past tense, without ed, and do good deeds, without saying did good deeds or did good works, and enjoin, not enjoined, but enjoin one another with truth, and enjoin one another with patience. So that's it. That's it. At last we finished all 3 videos, with each video at 8 minutes each. I hope you got a lot from there and you benefited from this process. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, in class or anywhere else. Okay, bye.